Have you ever considered the power of letting go as a leader?
Yes, no, maybe, but too scared of what it'll do to your image as a leader. I know this is something many leaders struggle with, so I'd like to share some words of wisdom on letting go. Releasing the need for control can transform you into a better leader. Great leadership comes with great responsibility, so it's natural to think that control is the way to achieving our goals. After all, isn't it our duty to oversee every aspect of our leadership and ensure as close to perfection as possible at every single turn? Let me provide you with a more refreshing perspective. Control is not synonymous with leadership growth. In fact, it hinders it, because it keeps you in a constant fear state. Focus on control takes away from your ability to develop other more useful traits. Letting go of control doesn't mean turning a blind eye to your responsibilities. Delegation is one of those leadership skills that will allow you to not only empower your team with a sense of accountability, ownership, and leveraging their individual skill sets, but it also gives you more time to focus on strategy and the good stuff. Releasing control gives you the power to tap into collective intelligence. Partnership and collaboration over authority and micromanagement can invite unique perspectives, which can lead to creativity, innovation, and unexpected breakthroughs. Remember, it's okay to not always have the answer. The fact of the matter is, the higher you get, the less control you'll have. So it makes for good practice to let go of control now to make space for better leadership tomorrow. Would you agree?